Hello world. I met many of you in real life. You like the show, you want more episodes. I understand. I spent the last year listening to you after every show I played at. I read every comment you shared and every wish you expressed. So I decided to set a new goal. I aim at releasing at least a new video every week from now until the end of the year. I will really try. I'm going to share different aspects of what I do, not only from a performance perspective or a production perspective, which seem to be the two main things you were initially interested in. I will share also content from my archive, content that will help you understand more about what I do, my roots. I would promote also content made by other creators, educational content, and content that will help you understand more about this creative dimension where music is just one piece of the puzzle, the beginning, the glue. I restructure my production process with cycles that will enable me to release new videos every week. I'm curious to see where this will take us, as this whole channel started with your interest in what I do. The format of the show will change. We'll talk more frequently in general throughout the show. We'll talk more about it. Please let me know your thoughts. A new episode will be on next week, so stay tuned.